In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at one of the features that I think we get the most questions about: selecting to end. The situation is you probably want to move everything from here a bit so you can make some room for something else. There's a number of ways of selecting to end in Hindenburg. We've just come up with a new one, which is, to be honest, a brilliant idea, which came from a user in Australia. So we can't even take credit for that one. But the idea is that you just press the option keys, click on the region that you want to move, and everything after that will be selected. You can do that again. Let's go in here. So from here all the way out, everything needs to be selected. Just press escape to remove the highlight. So again, option key, press a region, and now we can move it. Just to run through a few of the other options that you have, if you want to use them instead, is you can highlight a region and use the shortcut to select everything to end. Finally, you can also use the marquee tool, drag a selection over everything, and everything will be selected. So you do have a number of options, but the latest way of selecting everything to end is by far the easiest. Hold the option keys, click on the region, and everything is selected. Thanks so much for that idea, and I hope everyone else will enjoy it.